In the top center are the title and navigation controls. The title can be changed from the Action menu, under Document Setup. Although scrolling through your score is as easy as dragging around with 2 fingers, the navigation controls can come in very handy. They consist of 4 buttons plus a search field. Go to beginning, go to the previous measure, the next measure, and go to the end. A single tap on the next or previous buttons will move to the next or previous measure. Tap and hold down to move continuously at a speed as set in the Score Settings menu. The middle box is a search box, and has different functions depending on which of the 3 display modes you are in. In Scroll or Page View, enter a measure number to scroll to that measure, or enter text to find. For example, enter Dolce to scroll to that text. In Presentation View, enter a page number.